How to add BMW G chassis key using VAPON VP100 BDC2 wiring guidance side. Hey there, auto tech lovers and curious car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the one channel where diagnostic mysteries become crystal clear and programming challenges feel like second nature. If you've ever wondered how to add a new key to a BMW G chassis that uses the BDC2 module and do it safely and accurately, you're in the right place. In this video, we're unlocking the secrets of the VAPON VP100 key programmer, showing you exactly how to wire the BDC2 module using the VP100 BDC adapter, back it up properly, and generate that new dealer key like a pro. But here's a question to warm up your brain. Do you know where the induction coil is typically located on a BMW G chassis when performing key pairing? If you do, go ahead and drop your answer in the comments. Don't wait. I'll reveal the correct answer at the end of this video, but I want to see how many of you already know it. Before we dive under the hood and into the wires, a quick but important note. Disclaimer. This video is created strictly for educational and informational purposes only. We're here to support automotive professionals, passionate DIYers, and tech learners in better understanding diagnostics and key programming. All brand names and trademarks mentioned belong to their respective owners. No part of this content is used for commercial exploitation. Everything here is meant to inform and empower. Always follow your local laws, manufacturer guidelines, and safety procedures when working with vehicles. Now, if you've ever gained value from this channel, even once, I have a small ask. Please subscribe. It only takes a second, but it makes a massive impact on our ability to keep creating content like this for you. Also, go ahead and smash that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and share this video with your fellow techs and garage buddies. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours. Can we do it? I think we can. All right, let's walk through the step-by-step process to program a new key for a BMW G chassis with a BDC2 module using the VAPON VP100, and how to handle the wiring like a true expert. Let's begin with an overview that's absolutely critical: the wiring process. This is where many get stuck, but not you, because we're going to break it down clearly. To begin, you'll need the VP100 BDC adapter, which conveniently comes in the VP100 package. No extra purchases needed. This adapter is your golden bridge to the BDC2 module, which must be pre-processed before key programming. Now let's talk wiring. On the BDC2 module, locate the chip shown in your wiring diagram. Once found, solder that chip directly to pin 2 of your adapter. Don't skip grounding. Connect the EPP2 G&E line of the adapter for proper grounding and system communication. It's a small detail, but one that makes a huge difference. Flip the module to the backside. Here's a tip. Count from left to right and locate number 5. This is your next connection point. You'll solder a wire to this spot, and that wire must connect directly to the boot line on your BDC adapter. It's precise, yes, but it's absolutely manageable. And once you've done it once, you'll wonder why it ever seemed complicated. By now, your setup should match the complete connection diagram provided by VAPON. If you're not confident, pause, rewind, and verify, because solid wiring is the foundation for everything that follows. With the connection secured, we move to the fun part: key programming. Step 1. Back up your BDC data via OBD. Start by connecting your VAPON VP100 programmer to the vehicle's OBD port. Once it's connected, initiate a BDC code backup. Why? Because preserving the original data is your safety net. If something goes wrong, you'll be able to restore everything just the way it was. This step is non-negotiable, and trust me, it's fast and painless with a VP100. Step 2. Pre-process the BDC2 module. Time to take the BDC2 module out of the vehicle. Carefully disconnect and remove it. Then connect it to the BDC adapter you just wired up. Follow the wiring instructions again if needed. It never hurts to double-check. Pre-processing prepares the BDC2 for accepting new key data. It's kind of like prepping a blank canvas before you paint your masterpiece. Step 3. Generate the dealer key. Once pre-processing is complete, reinstall the BDC2 module back into the vehicle. Reconnect everything securely. Then use the VP100 to generate a dealer key. This is where the magic happens. The VP100 makes this process incredibly smooth with its intuitive interface and stable processing. Step 4. Key matching and final verification. Take your newly generated key and hold it near the induction coil, which is usually located on the right side of the steering column. Did you guess that earlier? If you did, you're ahead of the game. Now, press and hold the start button for 20 seconds. This triggers the pairing process. After that, test the key thoroughly. Does it lock and unlock the doors? Does the car start normally? If yes, congratulations. You've just completed a successful key addition for a BMW G chassis using the VAPON VP100. Before we wrap this up, I want to pause and say thank you to everyone who's been following this channel, especially the subscribers who leave thoughtful comments and cheer us on. Your support keeps this channel alive and growing. If you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. It's completely free and only takes a tap, but it allows us to keep producing high-value content just like this. And hey, if this guide helped you out or clarified something you've been struggling with, please share this video with a colleague, a garage friend, or even in your favorite car tech forum. Let's spread the knowledge and help more people get confident with tools like the VAPON VP100. Also, I'd love to hear from you. What was the trickiest part for you to understand when it came to BDC2 module wiring? Or was it the backup process that had you confused before? Drop your experience in the comments, and let's chat about it. From my point of view, the VP100 is one of the most user-friendly and powerful key programmers currently available, especially for BMW systems. It takes complex tasks like BDC2 key generation and breaks them down into logical steps. But that's just my take. What do you think? Let me know. And now, as promised, the answer to our earlier question. The induction coil used during key pairing is typically located on the right side of the steering column. If you commented that correctly earlier, you're a real one. If not, hey, no worries. Now you know for next time. Let's end strong. If you found value here, hit that like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a breakdown like this. And if you really want to show some love, consider dropping a super thanks. It helps us keep the gear running and the cameras rolling. Thanks for spending your time with me today. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay sharp, and, as always, happy diagnosing.